Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain determiners. What are determiners? Let us see. Dear students, look at these words carefully. An orange, a little water, this book, my best friend. The postman, one tree, that book. These colored words are determiners. Dear students, if you see them carefully, you will see that these words, these determiners have been used before a noun or an adjective. Here you can see orange, water, book. These are nouns. Best is an adjective. So these determiners have been used before a noun or an adjective. Here also postman, tree and book. These are nouns and these are adjectives. So first thing which you have learned is that determiners are the words that come before a noun or an adjective. The next thing you will observe that these words, these determiners fix or limit the meaning of a noun. They tell us whether the noun is definite or indefinite, whether the noun is quantity or number, whether it is near or far. So whether it is specific or particular person or thing. So dear students, these determiners fix the meaning of a noun. So these are the main points. Determiner is a word which limits or fixes the meaning of a noun. It always comes before a noun or an adjective. It always introduces a noun. Or you can see that it always warns us that a noun is going to be used. It tells us whether the noun is definite or indefinite, near or far, specific or particular person or thing, number or quantity. So, determiners are called adjectives also, and we can call them fixing words also because they fix the meaning of a noun or an adjective. As I have told you that these are called adjective also, then what is the difference between both of them? Let us see. Here, see students, I have given some adjectives. Beautiful dress, pretty girl, good boy, pure water. These words, beautiful, pretty, good and pure, they are describing the noun, and so they are called adjectives. You can see that these beautiful word has come before a noun. Pretty has come before a girl. Girl is a noun. Boy is also a noun, and good is used before a noun, and pure water. Water is also a noun. But dear students, these words beautiful, pretty, good and pure, they are describing the nouns. They are telling the quality of the noun. But here you can see that my dress, that girl, one boy, a little water. These words are not describing the noun. They are not telling the quality of a noun. They are just pointing out or fixing the noun. Here you can see that these determiners are not describing the noun, but these are describing the noun. So, to know the difference between both of them, let us see. Now I am telling you what is the difference between both of them. How will we identify whether it is noun or whether it is adjective or determiner. Here, the first difference is adjectives can change their form. For example, bright. Bright is an adjective. We can change the form of bright. Bright, brighter, brightest. Similarly, beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. But determiners cannot change their form. For example, one. If we write one girl, then one form of one can't be changed. Similarly, first position. Form of first can't be changed. Here the second difference is adjectives can be placed before or after a noun or anywhere we can use the adjective. For example, she is a beautiful girl. Here adjective beautiful is used before a noun, but in next sentence that girl is beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective, but it is used at last. So dear students, determiners are always placed only before nouns. For example, that girl. Here that is determiner because it has been used before a noun, but that determiners can't change its position. We can't change the position of that. Similarly, I saw a girl. A here is a determiner, and we can't change the position of a. It will come before a noun only. So the next difference is adjectives describe a thing or a person and tell the quality. For example, he is a wise man. Here word is describing the man. Similarly, he is an intelligent boy. Here intelligent is describing the boy. It is telling the quality of the boy. But here determiners neither describe nor tell the quality. For example, he is a man. That boy is my brother. So they are not describing, they are just pointing out man and brother. So these are the difference you should keep in mind. So dear students, this was the difference between an adjective and a determiner. To know more about determiners, keep watching my channel and subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.